Hi guys, how are you? So today I'm going to unbox my new Royce which I ordered it from Flipkart. You can buy it from Flipkart, and I'm not. So I'll meet you after unboxing it. So guys, here it is, the new Royce which I ordered it. So see over here, see the Royce symbol. It looks very good. It's the best symbol of Royce. So let's see the interior. See the interior, looking very nice. Steering wheel, and I'll show you at the back now. See at the back side door, the doors, everything can open. It has so much space for keeping lights like that, and it's a big sedan. So let's see at back the dicky. See the dicky, we can keep luggages like that, and this back door will open like this, and this like this only. Now I'll open this one and show you. So guys, I have opened it. As you can see, the engine silver color, looking very nice engine, and see the headlights looking very nice, you can see. And I'll show you the tires now. See over here, see everything same tires. See guys, see, and see over here, it's looking very nice. I like this. And see over here the headlights, the lights at the back side, and see this. Now for this, lights can also come. I'll show you guys. So guys, here I took out this one. If you take out this from here, then the lights will start. I'll show you how. If we press this, it starts. See like this, the lights come and sound also comes. See the lights, blue color, bluish lights. You can see it's coming to the face. See over here. So bye guys, we'll meet you in the next video.